TikTok generated an estimated 4.6 billion revenue in 2021, a 142% increase year-on-year. TikTok had 1.2 billion monthly active users in Q4 2021 and is expected to reach 1.5 billion by the end of 2022. These statistics tells us that TikTok is a social media platform that businesses should not ignore in 2022. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In my previous video, I shared 3 ways on how to make money on TikTok, and some of you want tutorials on TikTok strategies. So in today's video, I will talk on how to grow your business on TikTok in 2022. I will cover 6 tips that I use to grow my TikTok business account from 0 to 17,000 followers, and also how I created additional income streams for my online businesses. The very first tip to grow your business on TikTok is to switch to business account so you can put a link to drive your followers to take a specific action. It can be a website for your viewers to purchase your products or a lead magnet to get leads for your business. Lead magnets are a lead generation tool. PDF guides, trial subscriptions, samples, e-newsletters, and free consultations are some examples of lead magnets. Tip number 2 is do not use a multiple link tool like Linktree. Stick to one-click website or a landing page that enable your audience to get the info with just one click. For those of you who is not familiar with Linktree, it is a tool that allows you to share multiple links on social media profile, because platforms like TikTok and Instagram only allow you to display one link. Why I discourage you to use Linktree is because it will show too many links and your audience may get distracted. You may lose clicks along the way, as your audience might not click through to your content after reaching Linktree. Tip number 3, value. The best TikTok contents for business is both educational and entertaining. Using TikTok to create educational contents can provide value to your followers and is a great way to share information about your products and services. The best content strategy to grow fast on TikTok is to upload at least once a day. In fact, the more, the merrier. I posted 1 video daily and it took me 3 months to see growth on my TikTok business account. Tip number 4 is find trends within your niche. TikTok is all about trends, and you can quickly grow your TikTok following by jumping on the latest trend. Here is how I find latest TikTok trends. First, type a keyword related to your topic. Select this week and sort by most liked. This way, the result page will show you the latest trend and the most liked videos. Choose a trending sound, then put your own spin to it. Make sure the content you are creating is related to your topic.
Hi, I'm a Singapore small business and I want to make sure that I'm actually visible to my fellow Singaporeans. If you're from Singapore and you're watching this video, please drop me a comment saying which part you're from. Fellow small business, feel free to use this sound too.
I found this trending sound last week based on the search term Singapore small business, as they are my target audience for my creative agency. I created my version, which I create a video using previous footages that I already have on my phone. It acts like a promotional video about video service that I'm promoting in Singapore, and it instantly attracted 2 inquiries for my video service. Tip number 5 is pin your most viral videos. This makes it much easier for you to prioritize content for your audience to see when they are viewing your profile, and can act as a permanent promotional video on your TikTok account. Tip number 6, post TikTok at the right time. The best time to post TikTok videos is when your audience is awake and free. That means when they are not working, when they are commuting in public transport, when they are having their meal breaks like lunch or dinner, and after dinner. General rule of thumb, the best time to post on TikTok is between 6 AM to 10 AM and 7 PM to 11 PM. Another more effective way is to look at the analytics. On your TikTok app, go to Profile and then tap the 3 lines and go to Creator Tools. On Creator Tools, tap on Analytics. Here you see a lot of tabs on top. Click on Followers and scroll all the way down. Here you can actually see the followers' activities. So based on mine, my most effective time to post will be at 10 p.m. So you can see daily what are the timings that your followers are most active. Many of you may still think that TikTok is for kids and TikTok is a dance or music-oriented platform. That is 100% a myth. That was what I used to think too. But what it is today is that TikTok is a great platform for businesses to grow their business and get organic traffic. You better create one right now if you haven't already done so. Even Gary Vee is urging people to start making TikToks before it's too late. He just made this video a few days ago and he says that you don't need to dance to grow on TikTok. I have tested TikTok and I did not dance one bit. At most I did was finger dancing and lip syncing to 10% of my content. The result of me testing this platform has proved that TikTok is suitable for businesses and everyone should start have fun on this platform. Comment no dancing in the comment section below if you want me to do more videos on TikTok. Along the way, when I have more discoveries on new strategies, I can update you guys over here. Thank you so much for watching my TikTok video today. Please leave your comments below if you have any questions and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!